Hi students, in this class we can study very most important named reactions. Among them, first one is Clemmensen reduction. Clemmensen reduction. This Clemmensen reduction that comes under the aldehydes and the ketones. This is very most important question. In this Clemmensen reduction, the statement is carbonyl group. Carbonyl group means CO. The carbonyl group of aldehydes and ketones. Carbonyl group of aldehydes and ketones that is reduced to CH2. Carbonyl group of aldehydes and ketones reduced to CH2 group. By treating with zinc amalgam. Amalgam means the mercury. Zinc amalgam in concentrated HCl. Zinc amalgam in concentrated HCl. This reaction is called Clemmensen reduction. Okay. Carbonyl group of aldehyde and ketone that is reduced to CH2 group by treating with zinc amalgam in concentrated HCl. That reaction is called Clemmensen reduction. This is the statement. Then you consider the general equation. For the general equation, this is the carbonyl group. Carbonyl group when treated with zinc amalgam, zinc and Hg, zinc amalgam in concentrated HCl. Already in the statement we discussed that CO group is reduced to CH2. Hence the CO part converted into CH2. This is called hydrocarbon. This is an aldehyde or ketone. Aldehyde or ketone on reduction. Reduction means the addition of hydrogen. Actually, no need of representing the nascent hydrogen. For your confirmation only, I will write in the hydrogen atom. That requires totally 4 hydrogens. 2 hydrogens for replacing oxygen. Then other 2 hydrogens combines with oxygen removes the water molecule. This is hydrocarbon. This is very most important. Please practice this reaction. Then for you take the example like CH3CHO. Then treated with this CH3CHO means acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde treated with zinc amalgam in concentrated HCl. Can you expect the product formed? That acetaldehyde on reduction, the product formed is CH3CH3. CH3CH3 means ethane, removing the water molecule. Similarly, one more example is that is acetone. Acetone formula is CH3COCH3. This is called acetone. Acetone treated with zinc amalgam in concentrated HCl. That CH3CO group converted into CH2. Then the product formed is propane. Propane is formed. That is acetone, IUPAC name is 2-propanone. Propanone on reduction, propane is the product formed. Similarly, can you try the reduction of acetophenone? Acetophenone means C6H5COCH3. Then what would be the product obtained? Can you guess the product? Acetophenol means C6H5COCH3. That CO converted into CH2. Then that product is ethyl benzene. Ethyl benzene C6H5 CH2 CH3 ethyl benzene. This is about the Clemmensen reduction. You practice as it is. Then you consider similarly Wolff-Kizner reduction. Next, consider Wolff-Kizner's reduction. This is also most important one. In the Wolff-Kizner's reduction, same, you consider, you take that Clemmensen's reduction. Clemmensen's reduction statement is carbonyl group of aldehyde and ketone reduced to CH2 group by treating with zinc amalgam in concentrated HCl. Instead of zinc amalgam in concentrated HCl, you take that treating with hydrazine. Hydrazine formula is NH2, hydrazine. Then we get an hydrazone. Hydrazone is formed. Then hydrazine followed by heating with ethylene, sodium or potassium hydroxide. Sodium or potassium hydroxide in the presence of ethylene glycol. This reaction is called Wolff-Kizner's reduction. Carbonyl group of aldehyde and ketone reduced to CH2 group by treating with hydrazine. Hydrazine formula is NH2 followed by heating with sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide in the presence of ethylene glycol. Such a reaction is called the Wolff-Kizner reduction. Take the general equation. Carbonyl compound is, this is the carbonyl compound formula. First you treat with hydrazine. Hydrazine formula is NH2. That hydrazine, it is an example for a condensation reaction. Water molecule removed. Then that forms in the formation of an hydrazone. This one is called hydrazone. Hydrazone is formed. This hydrazone then treated with NaOH or KOH, alkali, in the presence of an high boiling solvent like ethylene glycol, then we get hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon is formed, that is CH2 hydrocarbon. Then this nitrogen get removed. This is the general equation for Wolff-Kizner reduction. This one is an hydrocarbon. This is an aldehyde or ketone. Then NH2 is called hydrazine. Then the intermediate, this intermediate name is an hydrazone. Hydrazone then treated with KOH or NaOH in ethylene glycol, we get hydrocarbon. This reaction is called Wolff-Kizner's reduction. Very most important reaction. They can take either Clemmensen's reduction or Wolff-Kizner's reduction either in your board examination or in your competitive level. Very most important. Practice this reaction. Next you consider other very most important reactions.